Good morning, friends, viewers and watchers all over the world. My name is Daniel and today I'll be taking you along on my day here at the campus of the University of Twente. Here in this building, the Cubicus, where I'm studying communication science. You ready? Happy? Good. Let's go. Hey guys. Hey friends, we're here sitting, working busy with our project stuff. I'm actually sitting here with Romeo and Lucas, they're two friends of mine and also studying mates. How did you start and why did you start studying communication science here in Enschede?
I think I started because I've seen the website and then I've learned about Enschede having the campus and having this very current program. Like they adapted very much to what is currently happening in technology, in media, in society.
Nice then, because actually it's the same for me. I came here because I really liked the practical aspect of studying a pretty humanitarian study, such as communication. Hey guys, I want to ask you, because we're at a technical university, the technical atmosphere is everywhere. Yeah. How do you guys then feel studying something like communication in that environment?
It's really current because technology is everywhere, and I think that you're getting prepared really well for the actual work environment. For example, I did 2 projects with virtual reality classes, which was super cool. For one, we created a manual, and for the other one, we did an experiment when cycling and actually using the VR. So that was really cool.
And we have to learn how to solve problems with technology in a project group, and that's actually a pretty interesting thing. And also, if you have any problems, you can just always go to the teachers.
Yeah, it's actually very true. Teachers are very approachable here, and their doors are always open. I actually have a bunch of questions I need to ask to one of the teachers, so let's go upstairs and see if we can find one. Oh look, I just found an open door. How are you doing?
Good to see you again. Good to see you again. You're doing the project right now, are you?
I'm actually in the middle of graduating.
Okay, I heard you will do the presentation next week.
That's true.
Right. Good. Looking forward to it. I'll be there.
I'm not really looking forward to it. I'm just kidding, I'm looking forward to it a lot. Mark, I wanted to ask you a very simple question actually. We were talking with a bunch of students downstairs. How do you feel about teaching or lecturing about communication science on a university that's very technically oriented?
Technology only works if people start using it. People need to adapt it, appropriate it, and start to use it in their own ways. And therefore we need to understand how it fits in, how it blends in with all kinds of people groups and their values and their way of living. We try to connect the real life situations people face with the academic questions that we're looking for. So in bringing those together, we try to see how communication actually substantiates what's going on in real life.
Do you feel like here then at the University of Twente with communication science, the message we're spreading, is that the most up-to-date one? Is that the one that we actually feel like this is how the world is currently?
I do think that we are working with questions in bachelor and master theses where we do not know the answers yet. So that shows that because we are asking questions that we have to do research on and are very curious what the answer actually is, means that we are on the cutting edge. Otherwise I would have said you what we know already,
in the books,
and then you can move on. I mean, all these books are here. I mean, that's not the problem, but the problem is that new questions emerge, and we don't know what our insights will mean in this new situation, and that's something that I think makes science as exciting as it is, that it's based on curiosity rather than just the stale knowledge that's already out there.
Alright guys, I just checked my watch and I see that we have been talking for hours actually. No, I'm just kidding, but we actually have to go. So thank you very much.
Bye bye. See you at the presentation.
So now we're at Communicate. This is the Study Association of Communication Science. This is basically where we come, where we just want to spend time with friends, where we're a bit tired of studying sometimes, and just want to get up to date on all the latest social stuff going on around their study as well.
Hey Pim. Hey Daan.
How do you feel? Like, your board year, how's it going? How do you like it?
I finished my second year and then I decided to take a year off and do the board for Communicate. Yeah, and I really like it.
Cool. I was actually thinking about doing the same when I was in my second year, but I decided not to because I wanted to finish my study a bit quicker. How do you see your future? What do you want to do after this?
Yeah, the board year gave me a lot of opportunities. It's so nice to be the chain between the students and the educational program. when I'm finished, I go for something like marketing.
That's actually what I was debating as well. It was either a master in marketing communication or a master in corporate communication. But I haven't really made up my mind yet, but we still have some time to decide, so all good. So the campus of the University of Twente is actually a very dynamic campus. A lot of people are living here. It's actually one of the only campuses in the Netherlands. People work here on the campus. They have different jobs at university companies. They can do their groceries here. They can go to the barber. So in general, it's a very nice place to be and to live because you're with like-minded students who share your same ideas and possibilities as well. And it's actually very green as well, which is cool. Hey guys, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, of course.
Could you tell me about what's happening here? Like, we just walked up and saw this green car, so what's happening?
Yeah, we're from Green Team Twente. We're building this hydrogen car. Every year we compete in a race, the Shell Eco Marathon. This year we want to become world champion.
So it's completely amazing what you can see and find on campus when you go out and try to discover new stuff. Like, we bumped into a DJ booth and now this green car driving around. I hope I gave you a very good impression of my day as a communication student here on the campus of the University of Twente. If you're interested in communication and if you want it to be a part of your life, sign up for one of our open days or become a student for a day. And I'll see you around very soon. Bye bye.